Caucasian. Like how they make them peace fly. He with them Asians. I'm in it for the long ride, no hesitation. I waited for a long time for being famous. I wake up every day, I swear to God I make a play. They lining up for nuggets like this shit is Chick-fil-A. I'm scoring all these buckets like I'm in the NBA. And if she wanna...
We got here a 1963 T-Bird that's got more plastic filler on it than Kim Kardashian.
What did they do? What did they do?
You don't want to know.
No, I can see it from fucking here. Look at that. Look at that.
You don't want to know.
Dude, what did they do?
Just keep looking. Look down. Look towards the rocker.
Oh! It's actually fucking...
Minty.
Yeah, clean.
Wait. What are we looking at here?
Yep. She's fucked.
Here we are, day one, basically. I'm gonna start actually working on it, but the overall plan is gonna be something like this. We're gonna start here, valve cover. We're gonna swap those out with those old ones up there. Then we're gonna do the tranny panty, a new dash cover, and carpet. And he wants the seats and the door panels. There's the other one. He wants those all redone. So the whole interior is getting a makeover. I'm sure you have seen the insane bodywork. Not gonna get really into that. They already started chopping here. It's like symmetrical, both sides. Rockers are totaled, everything is yapped. We gotta fix all of that. Whole car's getting painted. The whole bay is getting redone. The whole car is getting painted. Just the rear glass is coming out, hopefully. Don't fucking snappy. There's some more body work.
We got Colt over here working on the front fender patches on the T-Bird. This little section of the actual fender still got to be cut so that the patch panels fit perfectly. But in order to do that, he preferred to take the front fender off, so check that out.
Not too bad, I just front fender, really. Right here's another hole. Looks like underneath this battery panel. Take that out.
Oh, I see.
It might be able to, this whole panel might be able to be replaced, like if you can buy the panel, I don't know.
Colt over here tacking in the lower front fender panels. Davey's grinding down some of those welds so we can start doing body work. Came back in and filled some of these welds on this side. David's grinding down that side. It looks extremely good because the green is green on green. Mr. Grinch.
The whole quarter should have been replaced, but oh well. This thing, beautiful interior. So, I don't know. Like, look at that dash and shit. It's literally a beautiful car. It was not treated right.
That's fucking sick looking, bro.
Yeah, it's not even penetrating, it's just fucking...
I would get a new rod as well, instead of keep...
Ready? That pulled it out pretty good. I'll hit the next low spot. That's some thick ass metal right here. Now I'm gonna have to hit that low spot and then I'll pull this slug down. But this is the big thing. We need to get another one right in there now.
Already starting to look a lot better, buddy. Most of it's gone. There's like a low spot.
The low spot right there. You can see most of it's gone. With the T-Bird though, for real, it does suck. Lots of metal work was done on the top of the quarters. The quarters themselves were removed and then replaced, at least the lower quarters were, because the company that did it before we got the car did not do a great job.
No, I can see it from fucking here. Look at that.
Everything that was underneath the quarters was treated and coated. Pour 15. There was trunk pan patches and floor pan patches that were done. The lowers of the front fenders were replaced by us. A lot of that body work was done. We had to remount the bumpers. We did the transpan gasket and filter. We did the complete interior. Every bolt and screw was replaced. The dash came out. We recovered the dash. We got the seats reupholstered, and we installed those with new carpet. All the lights and everything worked. The steering wheel moving back and forth worked. Man, we did a lot to that car, and you guys ain't gonna see the half of it. Not even. You guys probably won't even see an eighth of it. But man, we had hundreds of hours invested into this car, so much time and effort invested into this car. Man, it sucks even doing this video. Yeah, we did all that, man. We did that, and the car was getting there. It left before it got finished due to financial reasons with the customer. Really, man, it's this video just, I feel it here. We did a lot of work to that car for you guys to not see it, and we did a lot of recording and stuff for you guys to not see it. Hopefully you can get a gist with what we do have. Man,